Good evening all. Today we will discuss about the alkyl halides and aryl halides. It is the most important topic in the plus 2 syllabus. In the organic chemistry, it is a major concept. Alkyl halides and aryl halides. How to define the alkyl halides, aryl halides, what are the physical properties, what are the chemical properties, and what about the uses of aryl halides and alkyl halides. All these concepts we will learn one by one, concept wise, in these videos. Then first of all, how to define the alkyl halide and then aryl halide. Any organic compound functional group, either alcohols, aldehydes, either hallucinated organic compounds, all are obtained from the hydrocarbons. They are the derivatives of hydrocarbons, either aliphatic hydrocarbons or aromatic hydrocarbons. Here also, alkyl halides or aryl halides are derivatives of hydrocarbons. From where onwards we are extracting the hallucinated compounds. First we are taking the one basic hydrocarbon, whether it is aliphatic hydrocarbon or aromatic hydrocarbon. From the hydrocarbon we are replacing the hydrogen. The replacement of hydrogen from the hydrocarbon, whether it is aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon, by the halogen. Halogens are nothing but fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. The replacement of hydrogen by the halogens from the aliphatic hydrocarbon or aromatic hydrocarbon, the respective functional groups are called alkyl halides or aryl halides. Aliphatic hydrocarbons are again different categories are present: alkane, alkene, alkyne, and the same way cycloalkanes, cycloalkenes also. Aromatic hydrocarbons are nothing but simplest aromatic hydrocarbon is benzene. Simplest aromatic hydrocarbon is benzene. So first we will take it the aliphatic hydrocarbon. This alkanes I am taking the alkanes general formula CnH2n plus 2. Alkanes general formula. In alkanes, between the two carbons there is a single bond. The total carbons surrounded by the single bonds, the respective hydrocarbon is called alkanes. Now I am taking one of the example of alkane, methane. Methane is one of the example of hydrocarbon, that too alkane. In the methane, one of the hydrogen is replaced with halogen. Methane, CH4. Total 4 hydrogens are present. In these 4 hydrogens, any one of the hydrogen replaced with halogen. Now CH3, one of the hydrogen replaced with chlorine, methyl chloride. It is a haloalkane. From the alkane, we are replacing the hydrogen. Okay, then it is called as a haloalkane. Or if you take the alkene general formula CnH2n. Alkene general formula CnH2n. The simplest alkene is C2H4. C2H4, ethene. Ethene is a simplest alkene. In ethene molecule, between the two carbons there is a double bond. CH2 double bond CH2. Between two carbons there is a double bond. Then it is a alkene. With two carbons C2H4, ethene formula. In ethene, one of the hydrogen is replaced with halogen. So I am taking in the ethene, one of the hydrogen is replaced with bromine, bromoalkene, bromoethene. So here From the aliphatic hydrocarbon, the hydrogen is replaced with halogen. It is called haloalkene. Haloalkene. Next, another aliphatic hydrocarbon, alkyne, CnH2n minus 2. General formula CnH2n minus 2. It is a alkyne formula. The simplest alkyne is ethine, HC triple bond CH. In alkynes, between two carbons there is a triple bond. The carbon is attached with hydrogen. The hydrogen present in the ethine replaced with halogen. It is called haloalkyne. Haloalkyne. From the alkynes, the hydrogen is removed. The respective group is called haloalkyne. HC triple bond C iodine. Haloalkyne I am taking. Iodoethine. So from the aliphatic hydrocarbon, the hydrogen is replaced with any one of the halogen. Then it is called haloalkanes. From the alkane we are removed haloalkane. From the alkene we are replacing the hydrogen, then haloalkene. From the alkyne the hydrogen is replaced with halogen. It is called haloalkyne. Next, the aromatic hydrocarbon is benzene. The benzene formula C6H6. Total 6 carbon, 6 hydrogens are present. Any one of the hydrogen is replaced with halogen. In the benzene, total 6 hydrogens are present. Out of 6 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen is replaced with halogen group. Then the respective compound is called haloarine. Haloarine or aryl halides. Now I am taking chlorobenzene. The hydrogen present in the benzene replaced with chlorine, chlorobenzene. Bromine is replaced, bromobenzene. Iodine is replaced, iodobenzene. This is the examples of aryl halides. From the aromatic hydrocarbon, hydrogen is replaced with halogen. Then it is called aryl halide or haloarenes. From the aliphatic hydrocarbons, the hydrogen is replaced by halogen. Then it is called alkyl halides or haloalkane. Next, what is the importance of alkyl halides or aryl halides in our day-to-day life? So many antiseptics or antibiotics also we can use. For example, chloramphenicol. The chloramphenicol is one of the best antibiotic which can be used to treatment of typhoid fever. For the typhoid fever, how to cure means by taking the chloramphenicol, one of the antibiotic. In the chloramphenicol, the chlorine is essential element. Next, our human body also produces one of the hormone thyroxine. The thyroxine containing the iodine. Iodine is present in the thyroxine hormone. What is the use of thyroxine hormone? The deficiency of thyroxine hormone, we are getting the simple goiter disease. Simple goiter disease. What is the simple goiter means? Here the swelling of neck. Here the swelling is getting due to the deficiency of thyroxine hormone. It is not released sufficient amount of thyroxine hormone, then simple goiter is obtained because their iodine is absent. Due to the absence of iodine, we are getting the simple goiter. That's why the doctors are preferred to iodized salt. Next, for the treatment of malaria, chloroquine. Chloroquine is one of the drug used to treatment of malaria treatments. Next, after that, DDT, dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane. It is one of the organic compound, halogenated organic compound, which can be used to killing insecticides. The killing of insecticides, we can use the DDT. DDT means diphenyl trichloroethyl. It is one of the halogenated compound. Like that, so many compounds are utilized in our day-to-day life. The alkyl halides or aryl halides is also used as a solvents, non-polar solvents. The non-polar compounds are soluble in the non-polar solvents. What are the examples of non-polar solvents? Carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride is one of the non-polar solvents. And chloroform. Chloroform also used as a solvent, and it is also used as anesthetic purpose. In the earlier days, the chloroform can be used as a anesthesia. Like that, different type of compounds can be used as a solvents. Most of the non-polar compounds are soluble in the non-polar solvents like CCl4, CHCl3, like that. This is the introduction of alkyl halides and aryl halides.